Long ago, in a small village tucked between hills, lived a fairy named Mirabel. Unlike other fairies who gathered flower petals, raindrops, or stars, Mirabel had a very special job. She collected laughter. She carried a little satchel made of rainbow threads and tiny glass jars no bigger than a thimble. Every time someone laughed, a giggle, a chuckle, a squeal, or a belly laugh, Mirabel would catch it. The laughter sparkled like bubbles and floated into her jars, glowing softly in the dark. But one winter, the village grew quiet. The snow was heavy, food was scarce, and no one felt like laughing. Mirabel's jars stayed empty. "I must do something," she whispered. So, one night, she flew to the attic of a lonely child named Tomas. He hadn't laughed in weeks. She opened one of her last jars, letting out a soft bubbling giggle. Tomas looked up in surprise. The giggle bounced around the room, tickling his ears, and soon he couldn't help but laugh. His laughter was so big and bright that it filled the entire jar in an instant. The sound spread through the house, then out the window, rolling down the snowy streets. Other children heard it and began laughing too. Then their parents laughed, until the whole village sparkled with joy again. Mirabel's jars overflowed, her satchel bursting with bubbles of laughter. She had learned a great secret. Sometimes laughter must be shared first before it can be collected. And if you listen closely on quiet nights, you might still hear the soft sound